Have you ever felt emotionally stuck and didn't know why? What if I told you the answer lies in the nature itself? Your emotions, your energy, your peace are all connected to the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. In this video, I'll show you how you can identify which element in your body is out of balance and how to fix it naturally. So stay till the end for a free downloadable guide to start your healing journey right away. The concept: in ancient Indian wisdom, the five elements or the Panch Tattvas forms the foundation of our life. But these aren't just outside of us, they are within us. When these elements are balanced, you feel calm, confident, and aligned. But when even one is off, you feel lost, drained, anxious, or stuck. Let's explore each element and the emotion it governs. First, Earth, your Prithvi element, which gives you grounding, stability, and security. When Earth element is out of balance, you feel fearful, anxious, or insecure. So, how do we balance our Earth element? Spend some time barefoot on the soil or the ground and meditate while sitting in Sukhasana, imagining that your roots are grounded with your feet and it goes up to your Sahasrara, which is your crown chakra, making sure that you are deeply rooted inside the ground and let all your tensions and worries go into the ground. Second element, water, Jal, which governs your flow, your adaptability, and your emotions. When water is blocked, you feel emotionally heavy, sad, or overwhelmed. So, what's the healing tip to balance your water element? Drink water mindfully. Journal near a water body and let your emotions flow without any judgment. Third element, which is your fire, Agni, which governs your transformation, your confidence, and your willpower. When fire is excessive, you feel angry and burned out. And when it's low, you feel lack of motivation. The healing tip: to ensure your fire element is stable, do sun meditation. Do that one thing which you have always been resisting. That's where your willpower gets ignited. Fourth element, which is your air, the Vayu Tattva, which governs your movement, your inspirations, and your ideas. When air is imbalanced, you feel restless, scattered, or overthinking. How to balance your air tattva? Ensure you introduce deep breathing in your daily life. Write down your thoughts and move your body to ensure your air element gets ignited and helps you align with your mind, body, and soul. Fifth element, space, which is your Akash Tattva, the ether element. Space element governs your awareness, expansion, and clarity. When space element is out of balance, you feel disconnected from yourself and others too. The healing tip: how to balance your space element. Just meditate in silence. Observe the sky. Ask yourself, what am I holding on to? The signature framework, 5 Tattvas Life Canvas. Inside my signature healing process, I use these elements not just as a concept, but as a practical system to bring emotional alignment and clarity to anyone, even if you are completely new to healing. We call it 5 Tattva Life Canvas, a proven model where each element connects to a specific emotion and actions to help you rise with peace, power, and purpose. This is the same model that helped me and hundreds of others heal from anxiety, anger, grief, burnout, and even relationship pain. Nature has given you everything you need to heal. You just need to reconnect. Download your free 5 Tattva healing guide. Link in the description. Comment below which element you are working on right now. Tag a friend who needs healing energy in their life. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Next week, I'll guide you through a practical elemental healing meditation, which you can do from anywhere. This is your time. This is your healing. Let's rise together. Stay mindful and stay ignited.